So we are on our nature ride. And it's a beautiful day today. Hi, Mary.
Hello, Ken.
Hi, Eileen. How you doing? All right.
Good.
Okay.
We're watching some, looking out for all these beautiful homes.
Hey.
Wow. They're impressive, huh? Yes.
Very nice. And we have with us Miss Barbara and Nor. Are you guys enjoying the ride? Beautiful homes. Everything is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Way out here. Yes. Beautiful nature. Yeah. Well, thank you, ladies, for coming. Really a treat to have you.
And behind us we have beautiful Fran.
Oh, yeah. Can't forget about Fran back there. Hi, Fran. You having a good time?
Fran's a woman of few words, but she smiles a lot, so that's a good sign.
We'll take it.
Yes. Yeah, look at that home. They're doing a lot of renovating in this area. A lot of construction to improve these places.
Very nice.
Maybe someday, Tangi, will have a place on this road.
I agree, Mary. I'll take 2 of these houses any day.
I'd take one. I'd be happy with one, Tan. Would you invite me over for dinner and a barbecue?
Oh, man. Absolutely, I would.
All right.
Eileen, would you come over for dinner?
Absolutely.
All right.
That's a date.
And we'll have cheeseburgers, Eileen. How's that?
Okay, what year are we looking at, Tangi?
Maybe 2045. Happy nature, ladies.
Happy nature.
Well,
Oh, darn, I'm gonna grab.
look at our nature ride. Look what we saw. Rocket going off. And what'd you say, Steve? The 2 astronauts?
Yeah, this is the first time I'm launching 2 astronauts, a man and a female. Well,
Wow.
I guess we're going to the space station. It's the first time ever on a commercial that 2 astronauts got launched.
Okay.
And it's SpaceX.
Wow. What a cool part of nature.
Yeah.
Today was a perfect day.